Forward.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah, Mum.
Good. Then we shall begin.
Wicked.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you loud, live, and direct from the darkest depths of your imagination. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up! Step forward!
Welcome to Step Forward, the spoken word podcast where AI meets creativity and reflection. This is Talk to Dee Book, where the work asks the author the questions. What does it really mean to be trodding creation? Not just walking, but choosing a path. If the keys to creation were placed in our hands, what responsibility did we misunderstand? Is freedom simply movement? Or is it discipline, gratitude, and clean living? These questions are explored in Trodding Creation, written by Michael Israel. Check out the next episode of Talk to Dee Book. Until we meet again, stay with the work.
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. And thank you to our sponsors and supporters. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from patwahmedia.